encounter these problems? If you do, try our new Contra Energy Drink. It has L-carnitine that helps burn fat, and it has vitamin C that improves your immune system.
It has ginseng, aiding in type 2 diabetes for weight control, physical and mental stimulant.
It has B vitamins. It gives you more energy to boost up in your body and training. And it helps protect you from any different types of cancer.
For only 15 pesos, available at Food Square of De La Salle University, Dasmariñas.
So what are you waiting for? Get one right now. Contra Energy Drink! Contra sickness, contra negative vibes, and contra fatigue!